Welcome to Bonnet Pro. Are you looking for a better performing powdered product? One that smells fantastic, has AFT, which is active film technology, which is only something we have. That prevents biofilms and oily binders from attaching to carpets. If you're a professional carpet cleaner that takes care of facilities on a monthly basis, you'll see that AFT makes future cleanings faster and easier for you. This product only needs 1 ounce per gallon. You can use it at a ½ ounce per gallon. Who uses a ½ ounce per gallon? We do. A ½ ounce per gallon for your extraction, so you get an encapsulating extraction product with oxy, citrus, and AFT. Nobody can beat that. Or for hot water extraction, you can use it as a pre-spray. You can use it with VLM as a bonnet cleaner at only 1 ounce per gallon. If you like Atomic, you will love Radical Rinse. You can use this in so many different ways, and this one 7.5 pound jar is equal to 1 to 2 cases of liquid products. For only $129, you can clean up to 90,000 feet with this. So it makes it an incredible value, and it's only available at Bonnet Pro. Come see us and see why so many carpet cleaners swear by us. Once you own my products, you too will realize that we're your best choice for encapsulation carpet cleaning. Come see Bonnet Pro today.